I've been using the Aspire credit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Aspire credit card. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Aspire credit card. One of the standout features of this card is its 3% cashback on eligible gas, grocery, and utility bill payments, which is perfect for users who spend regularly in these categories. All other purchases earn 1% cashback, and rewards are automatically applied as statement credits, making redemption simple. The card also offers a starting credit limit ranging from $350 to $1,000, with the potential for increases over time based on responsible use. However, there are some drawbacks. For instance, the Aspire MasterCard comes with an annual fee starting at $85, which is deducted from your initial credit limit. While the card doesn't require a security deposit, this upfront fee can reduce your available credit until it's paid off. Additionally, the card's APR can be high, so it's important to pay balances in full to avoid interest charges. The card also reports to all three major credit bureaus, helping users build credit with consistent, responsible usage. Overall, the Aspire MasterCard is a strong choice for individuals focused on rebuilding credit with rewards, but the annual fee and high APR make it essential to manage your balance carefully. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.